Hey friends, if you wish to update the Intel graphics card drivers on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Okay, now I don't have an Intel one, but whatever display adapters you have, simply right click and update them. Usually Intel drivers specifically mention that they are Intel, like AMD mentions that it's AMD, but I'll suggest an even better way to keep it updated all the time. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the Windows Update tab. Check this button here which says get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Go to advanced options, select optional updates, install any available optional update, return to the Windows Update page, click on check for updates and make sure that it's updated to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.